Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to gift YouTube Premium subscription to someone. It is very simple. First, go to website g2a.com and here select subscriptions. Now scroll down and find YouTube Premium. It is right here. Click on it, and as you can see, you can buy YouTube Premium 12 months, so you can buy a whole account and give it to somebody. Just click on Add to Cart or PayPal Buy Now. You can also save if you bought this exclusive deal, just 32 euros. So make sure that this is an account. So this product is not an account, not a digital code, and it cannot be activated on existing YouTube account. So make sure that you know that. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.